Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find or search for patents online. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing you need to consider is choosing a patent database. So there's about 4 you can choose from. So I'll just pull up on my internet screen here. So we got the patent public search basis we can use, and we got Google Patents, eSpaceNet, and we got Patent Scope. So you can use any one of these 4s. Let's go through these one by one. Alright, so the United States Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO, provides a comprehensive search for US patents and published patents applications. And now if we go to Google Patents, so Google Patent offers an easy to use interface for searching US and international patents. And we got EPO, European Patent Office. This allows searches for European and international patents through the eSpace service. And then the last one here is World Intellectual Property Organization, stands for, in short, WIPO, provides access to international patent applications filed under the Patent Cooperation Treaty, PCT. And now for this demonstration, we'll head on over to Google Patents, because you might be more familiar with this one, or you might have heard of it. So you want to first define your search criteria. So you want to start with a keyword related to your invention or technology. So you can put in a keyword here, or you can use the advanced search options. So if we go ahead and click on the advanced search options here, you can put in your search terms here, and then you can search via the date as well. You can also put in an inventor, an assignee, and then you can choose from patent office, language, status type, and litigation. So by refining your searches, like using the date ranges, etc., will really help to find or search for patents online.